Dana Hooker, born 23 January 1991, is an Australian rules footballer playing for the Fremantle Football Club in the AFL Women's competition. State League career. Hooker played with the Coastal Titans in the West Australian Women's Football League before missing a majority of the 2016 season after giving birth to her first child. During her state league career, she made representative teams on multiple occasions, including for Western Australia from 2011 to 2016, which included All-Australian selection in 2013, and playing for the Western Bulldogs and Melbourne in 2014 and 2015 respectively in the exhibition series. AFL Women's career. Hooker was recruited by Fremantle with their 17th selection and 130th overall in the inaugural AFL Women's Draft. In January 2017, she was voted into Fremantle's leadership group. She made her debut in the 32-point loss to the Western Bulldogs at Vuitton Oval in the opening round of the 2017 season. Despite a disappointing season on the field for Fremantle, Hooker thrived and was named in Fremantle's best players in every match for the season and led the statistical counts at the club for disposals, kicks, marks and was second in inside 50s. Her performances during the season saw her win Fremantle's inaugural Fairest and Best award, where she finished one vote ahead of club captain Cara Donnellan, and she was also named in the initial 40-player squad for the All-Australian. Fremantle signed Hooker for the 2018 season during the trade period in May 2017. Statistics. Statistics are correct to the end of the 2017 season. References. External links. Dana Hooker's profile on the official website of the Fremantle Football Club. Dana Hooker at australianfootball.com